On this episode of Lingkod Bayan Diaries, ating tunghayan ang kwento ng isa sa ating mga honor awardees.
To be a CSC Pag-asa Group Awardee is such an honor. Hindi namin siya inasahan, so we just wanted to put names on the innovations na naibigay namin sa Davao de Oro. Ako po si Joycel ROD, Provincial ICT Officer ng Provincial Government of Davao de Oro, Team Leader ng eGov Technical Team.
I'm George Danhil M. Duran, Computer Programmer 3.
Ako po si Mr. Wilfredo M. Galagala, Information Technology Officer 2.
Ako po si Antonio Isimeni, Information Technology Officer 2.
Ako po si Antonio Salarda Jr., Computer Maintenance Technologist 2.
Kay eGov Technical Team are employees of the Provincial ICT Office of the Provincial Government of Davao de Oro. So kami yung gumagawa ng mga systems and innovations and nagsusupport din sa mga na-implement na mga systems sa iba't ibang departamento ng probinsya. Marami kaming projects, actually our systems number up to 40. Especially during the pandemic, so doon talaga nakita on how useful ICT was. During that time, challenge talaga yung team to produce projects to sustain yung online na operations. So on our part, we tried exploring open source technology. Tapos marami kaming ina-explore na networks. So first yung system is yung Call the Doc. It's a teleconsulting system na na-implement during the COVID. When the OPD services, yung outpatient department services were stopped, nag-resort to teleconsulting. Another project mentioned is yung COVID testing information system. So just like any typical molecular laboratory na systems, ito ay data bank ng mga specimens na tinitest, tapos nagbibigay yung system ng result ng mga test. During pandemic, nagamit talaga siya kasi kailangan validated yung result, so QR coded yung aming test result. Isang very challenging project namin is yung household profiling and needs assessment. So kailangan merong list ng mga possible recipients ng bigas, and then wala kaming updated list nun. So, kailangan in 1 month's time makaproduce kami ng system kasi magro-roll out ng survey sa buong probinsya. Nag-try akong mag-tap sa isang UN organization, yung UNDP. Tapos, nag-request ako kung pwede ba kaming turuan on how to do survey using Kobo Collect. And we were blessed, kahit wala kaming formal agreement, no monetary considerations, tinuruan nila kami. And in 1 month's time, na-produce namin yung app. Then after that, dire-diretso na po. Hindi rin namin ma-imagine na in 6 months' time, nakandak yung survey using employees only of the provincial government. So nakamobilize kami ng mga 200 plus enumerators. Talagang nilibot yung entire province, 236 barangays, bahay-bahay yan. Tapos nakuha namin yung data with maps. Na mapping namin yung mga households. So, and very appreciated po yung output ng systems. Kami nasa LGU, na-feel namin yung need na dapat ma-institutionalize yung ICT departments. Nasa digital age na tayo, so hindi pwedeng hindi tayo mag-upgrade or mag-adapt ng ICT. So basically yung ICT, nagagamit siya para ma-optimize yung ating mga processes. Aside from that, yung interconnectivity, interoperability ng different offices, napapadali yun through ICT. So, talagang dapat i-leverage yung ICT ng any organization, not just the government. Kung mapansin nyo, lahat ng developed countries is naka-leverage talaga sila sa ICT. Maraming magaling sa Philippines, medyo may problema lang tayo dun sa interconnectivity and interoperability kasi parang nangyari, parang kanya-kanya yung mga LGUs, kanya-kanyang innovations. And if you can see from the national, paiba-iba yung mga systems hanggang dun sa baba. So, yun din isa sa panawagan namin, sana magkaroon ng uniform na standards and protocols in developing systems para hindi masayang yung mga efforts ng mga nasa baba. Okay, my message to my fellow public servants, so let us continue to be a gift. Di ba, pag gift ka, maganda ka, mapapasaya mo yung recipient, kay magiging useful ka sa recipient. So, isa lang yun sa palagi kong isinasa puso, no?
Continue to adapt to the change, especially in ICT innovation. Even though marami tayong challenges na related to it, just continue to adapt to the ever-changing progress in technology.
Kaya ang masabi ko lang sa mga kawani ng gobyerno, kung trabaho tayo, gawin natin talaga yung nasa puso natin.
Gawin mo lang ang dapat mong gawin upang kung ano mang gusto mong maitulong para sa bayan.
Na patuloy lang natin ang ating mga mabubuting gawain sa gobyerno para sa ating mga kababayang Pilipino.
Kami ang EGOV Technical Team ng Davao de Oro at ito ang aming kwentong lingkod bayani.
Inyong natunghayan ang kwento ng ating lingkod bayani. Kung ikaw ay may kilalang lingkod bayani, maaari siyang i-nominate sa Honor Awards Program ng Civil
Good day to all of you. On behalf of the University Registrar's Office, I welcome everyone warmly. As the head of this esteemed institution, I am privileged to introduce our office and share the valuable services we provide. The University Registrar's Office serves as the administrative heart of our university, functioning as a central hub for academic records, student enrollment, and course registration. We are dedicated to supporting the success of our students and personnel by ensuring the smooth operation of all educational processes. Our mission as an academic unit, the University Registrar's Office, will be taking care of the enrollment, graduation, and records management as it takes custody of academic records of all graduates and the issuance of official academic documents of students and graduates. Whether you are a current student, a prospective applicant, a faculty member, or an alumnus, our dedicated team is here to assist you. From guiding you through the enrollment process to helping you access and maintain your academic records, we are committed to providing exceptional service with efficiency and professionalism. In addition to our core responsibilities, we are continually strive to improve our services by embracing technological advancements and streamlining our operations. We aim to enhance accessibility, transparency, and convenience for all clients, allowing you to focus on what matters most, your education and intellectual growth. As University Registrar, I am honored to lead a team of talented professionals passionate about supporting your academic journey. We understand the challenges and aspirations of higher education and are dedicated to serving as your trusted partner throughout your time at our university. In closing, I extend my heartfelt welcome once again. The University Registrar's Office is here to assist, inspire, and empower you as you embark on your intellectual endeavors. We look forward to collaborating with you and contributing to your success in every possible way. Thank you, and may this be the beginning of a remarkable academic journey for each of you as a university for humanity.
In a world facing a lot of challenges like job competition and technological disruption, we need more service-oriented professionals. Service-oriented architects in particular, who will prioritize community underserved community that needs over, who will prioritize community rather over personal gain, designing environments that foster well-being and resilience, leaving a lasting positive impact on the society through thoughtful and human-centered designs. The last pillar is character, and I always consider this pillar as the most important of all, the foundation. The character defines you as a principled life champions. It embodies moral and ethical integrity, honesty, social responsibility, guiding your decisions in both professional and personal spheres. This, I believe, are traits which appear to be a very expensive commodity nowadays. In a world shaped by technology, it is your character, my dear scholars, that will set you apart. Rooted in these four pillars, you are uniquely prepared to become leaders, innovators, and stewards of humanity. As life champions, you will not only navigate the complexities of the future, but also transform lives with resilience, compassion, and genuine purpose. Dear scholars, may you embrace the future with courage, with confidence, lead with integrity and purpose, and innovate with vision. You are our Bicol University's ambassadors of humanity, carrying the proud, true brand of quality and excellence. The brand, the tatak ng BUNyo. Tatak BUNyo, tibay BUNyo. Once again, my warmest congratulations and your remarkable achievements, and may you continue to shine, create lasting impact to the lives of the people you touch, and let's enjoy the rest of this program. Thank you so much.
Maraming salamat, Dr. Boris, for the continuous inspiration and support.
To formally introduce our keynote speaker, let us welcome the Bicol University Institute of Design and Architecture Planning Officer and Alumni Coordinator, Architect Maria Nadine R. Bigornia.
Our guest speaker this lovely morning is a dynamic and multi-talented professional, making her mark in both the world of architecture and floral design. Currently serving as a QA/QC architect at Bureau Veritas SA, she plays a key role in the iconic Park Central Towers, a 76-floor skyscraper under Ayala Premier, one of the Philippines' most prestigious developments. Beyond the pressures of being an architect in Manila, she is also the proud owner of Pananom Co-Events, a creative brand that prides themselves with the beauty of floral artistry. As an international and national floral educator, she's been featured in the Philippine Star Archipreneur and various social media platforms for her innovative approach to floral design. She holds advanced certifications including Korean Floral Designer Level 3, Malaysian Advanced Floral Designer Level 3, and her work has led to collaborations with leading partners such as Marsh Bites Makati Branch, SM City Legazpi, Kuti Kuti, Lazy Baker Cupcakery, Lanson Place, Mall of Asia, and many more. From towering cityscapes to delicate floral arrangements, she is redefining design, one project at a time. Please help me welcome one of my batchmates of 2019, architect Megan S. Oringo.
To our beloved BU guests, BU IDEA mentors, faculty and staff, personnel and non-personnel, proud parents, guardians, and our future architects. Good morning, everyone. And may tanong po ako, okay pa po ba kayo? Kaya pa? Kaya pa, kaya niyo yan. So, marhay na aga po sa Indugabos. It's truly an honor to stand before you today on such a significant occasion. Recognition Day for the Bicol University Institute of Design and Architecture, who have worked tirelessly to reach this point. Let me begin with extending my heartfelt congratulations to each and every one of you. You have made it through sleepless nights, countless critics, endless revisions, and moments when giving up felt easier than continuing. But you stayed in architecture, and that deserves more than just an applause. It deserves deep respect to everyone. Architecture is not just a profession. It's a calling to imagine what does not yet exist and to shape how people live, work, and dream. And with that power comes our responsibility. And not only to build beautifully, but to build thoughtfully, inclusively, and sustainability. The world needs architects just like you, just like us, who are not only skilled but also kind, curious, and courageous. I would like to thank to my fellow mentors way back before I graduated, to architect Ana Lorilla. Her history lectures helped me to become an architect. Dala-dala ko siya when I was reviewing during my architecture exam. Architect Leo Del Rosario, as his advices during my thesis days. Architect Maureen Sia, as she inspires me and her unending trust. Architect Mirabete, his unending inspiring words of wisdom sa amin way back. And he also pushed us na mag-graduate and not to give up. Architect Apuya's unlimited jokes, Architect Dalinog's theories, and other mentors that guided us to be more what us truly today. Yan. Wait lang po. Kinakaban po ako. So, ayun po. Me as a full-time architect and also a business owner is very hard po. So, it is very, very challenging. Everyone is asking, how does flowers relate to architecture? So, each of every one of us has hobbies, different kinds of hobbies. So, for me, in flowers, related pa rin siya sa architecture because flowers is related to art. Lahat ng hobbies natin is art. Iba-iba lang yung way natin how to express architecture in us. So, yung blood natin as architecture is nandiyan pa rin sa atin. And ayun po. Architecture is art, kaya everything na ginagawa nyo, i-push nyo lang po. But never forget your blood, the architectural blood. In my architectural journey, it is very challenging because when I was reviewing that day, I don't have any financial support. I only have my family to support me. And I am thankful for my business today, the pananom ko, because of pananom ko, the pananom ko helped me to finance my review days, during my review days, and I am, yun na po ako ngayon. And I am very thankful to my mentors because, not because of them, wala po ako ngayon dito. So, kayo pong mga architecture students, huwag po kayo matakot na i-push yung self nyo kung ano ang gusto nyo. But never forget, the main priority natin is architecture. Not because if wala po yung architecture, hindi din lalabas yung ating kanya-kanyang talents. And ayun po. We have our own stories in our lives. We have ups and downs. And my last advice to you, don't forget kung saan kayo nag-start. Huwag niyong kalimutan, if ever, soon, syempre magiging successful po tayo. Never forget where you started, sino nagtulong sa inyo, and kung nag-start kayo na walang knowledge sa architecture, never forget the mentors, the people who help you where you go up. And yun lang po. Tiwala lang sa sarili, and makakagraduate kayo lahat. And thank you very much, everyone. All your hard work will pay off soon. So trust in yourself, and don't forget who helped you when you are starting. And that's all. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Architect Oringo, for that uplifting and forward-looking message. Your journey truly inspires the architects of tomorrow.
To express our gratitude, may we now call on Architect Maureen M. Sia, Architect Maria Nadine Bigornia, Architect Virgilio M. Montero, Architect Mary Grace Dalinog,
And our Vice President for Academic Affairs, Dr. Maria Julieta B. Borres, for the awarding of the token and plaque of appreciation. For the reading of the citation of plaque, this plaque is of appreciation is awarded to Architect Megan S. Oringo, UAP, guest speaker, given this 11th day of June 2025 during the BUIDEA Recognition 2025 with the theme Life Champions and Future-Ready Professionals of 21st Century at Bicol University East Campus Gymnasium, EMS Barrio, Legazpi City. Signed by Maureen M. Sia, UAP, NAMPAP, MS-ARC, Officer in Charge, Office of the Director, Bicol University Institute of Design and Architecture. A round of applause, please. Let's take another pause to celebrate the artistry of our students. With a special intermission number, we proudly present Galing Idea, the BUIDEA Station ID, composed and written by Miss Almina Bordagdan along with BU ASA, Archi Choral, and BU ASA Band.
Hello, sound check. Sound check.
Hello, hello. Sound check, sound check. Hello, hello, hello.
Hello, sound check.
Hello, sound.
Hello, hello, hello. Ah, sige lang. Yo, 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 yo. Yo, 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 yo. Kailangan malapit talaga ako. Hindi siya ganito lang. Hello, yo, 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 yo.
Hello, hello. Sound check. Sound check.
Sound check. Sound check. Hello, sound.
Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello.
Sound.
Hello, hello.
Sound. Sound.
Mic test 1, 2.
Okay lang ano? Pahiramin mo muna siya dyan. Medyo mahirap.
Hello, hello.
Hello, sound. Hello.
Again, we proudly present Galing Idea, the BYDea station ID.
Hey, 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 hey,
Eya, 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 eya.
Nagsimula sa mga pangarap. Heto ngayon, numuukit ng karera sa arkitektura.
Ura-ura, unang pagtao pa.
Unang pagsabak.
Inakalang titiklop pero di aayaw. Ilalaban to.
Sa ideya, galing arkitektura. Ura-uragon kita. Sa ating mga plano, buhay gumaganda. Magliwanag tayo. Ideya.
Ideya. Ideya.
Kahit saan mapunta, may iisang hangarin. Pamilyang nagkakaisa, magkaiba man ang paniniwala natin.
Huwag kang mag-alala, tayo ni pagkarabangan ta. Day sana mawara, paglahom kibathala.
Sa ideya, galing
Ideya.
arkitektura. Uragon kita. Sa ating mga plano, buhay gumaganda.
Magliwanag tayo. Ideya.
Galing
Ideya.
arkitektura. Uragon kita. Sa ating mga plano, buhay gumaganda.
Magliwanag tayo.
Huminga ka ng malalim at sariwain mo. Malinis na hangarin, makapulwang pandisenyo. Hilagang gabay sa atin, hilagang hanapin. Ideya.
Ideya. Ideya. Ideya. Ideya.
Dito sa ideya, wala kaming inaatusan. Anumang problemang iarap, laging mahahanapan ng solusyon at ideya. Di kami nauubusan. Basta gawang gawang arkitektura yan. Walang maiwan, lahat magsisiplanuhan. Anumang kasari yan, basta andyan ang kagustuhan. Ilabas na ang eskwalahalin at magsilatagan. Yanda na ang espada, tayo susubok sa laban. Mula mas bati albay, hanggang norte. Tanduan ni Sumsur, Sorsogon, yeah? 100% na hindi na makampante. Global, worldwide, ganun na atake o raga ng iba na makakatansa. Paano ni Bang Tiyong talento? Bukod tangi ba sa barang arkitekto? Lang tulog yata ako sumapasukan. Sinubok, kinubok, na sana'y tumibay. Puso hanggang dulo yan ang aming niyalay. Timog, kanluran, hilaga, silangan. Astig mo naman parang si Frank Lloyd Wright.
Get an architect. Get an architect. Kasi sa arkitekto, kasi sa arkitekto, sigurado.
Is it okay na sumabay po kayo sa ideya na part? Ideya.
Ideya. Ideya.
Ideya.
Ideya.
Ideya.
Ideya.
Ideya. Ideya.
Ideya.
Everyone!
ideya galing arkitektura, ura-uragon kita. Sa ating mga plano, buhay gumaganda, magliwanag tayo. Sa ideya, 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 ideya,
Arkitektura, ura-uragon kita.
sa ating mga plano, buhay gumaganda, magliwanag tayo. Ideya, 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 heya, ura, heya, ura, heya, 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 heya.
Thank you po.
And that is Galing Idea, the BU Idea Station ID, composed and written by Miss Almina Borlagdan, along with BU Asa Archicoral and BU Asa Band. And now we come to the highlight of today's celebration, the awarding of honors and distinctions.
We recognize students who have exemplified excellence not only academically but in leadership, service, and creative pursuits. May we call on Architect Mary Grace Ardalinog to read the list of awardees. Also, we would like to invite on stage Dr. Maria Julieta B. Bores, Professor Jaslyn Imperial, Miss Ana B. Del Aire, Architect Megan S. Oringo, Architect Maureen A. Sia, Architect Nadine Bigornia, Architect Virgilio Montero, and the rest of our distinguished faculty members to give the award.
Ladies and gentlemen, friends, the Bicol University Institute of Design and Architecture Academic Scholars, first semester, to be awarded from the second semester of school year 2023-2024. First year, Sandra S. Bermudo. Director's Lister, second semester, school year 2023-2024, shall also receive a leadership award for UAPSA's Deputy Creative Director for Graphics and Visuals. Mark B. Hormigos. Mike G. Noga. Second year, Cherry C. Binalia. Director's Lister, second semester of school year 2023-2024 and first semester of school year 2024 and 2025 shall also receive Royal Blue Degree Award and Leadership Award for being an officer of UAPSA. Hannah E. Lengayo, Director's Lister, second semester, school year 2023-2024, and service awardee for Crocky's editorial staff. Ronald C. Assis IV, Director's Lister, second semester, school year 2023-2024, top 6 finalist, Albay Park and Wildlife, World Wildlife Day 2025 Provincial Mural Painting Competition, Leadership Award, UAPSA Creative Director for Media Production, Leadership Award, Crocus Managing Editor. Jomar N. Almugera, Director's Lister, second semester, school year 2023-2024, Director's Lister, first semester, school year 2024 and 2025. Kurt Owen Rioteras, Director's Lister, second semester, school year 2023 to 2024, Leadership Award, UAPSA Executive Commissioner on Congress and Assembly, Leadership Award, Crocus, Chief Broadcaster. Rose Ann Celso, Director's Lister, second semester, school year 2023-2024, Leadership Award, UAPSA. Angel Rose B. Maravilla, Director's Lister, second semester, school year 2023-2024. Director's Lister, first semester, school year 2024-2025, Royal Blue Degree Awardee. Third year, Rica Aileen C. Rubrigado. Francine L. Piraman. Jehu M. Ranieses. Angel M. Basilan. Angel M. Basilan. Jenemy C. Murillo, Director's Lister, second semester, school year 2023-2024. Director's Lister, first semester, school year 2024 to 2025. Janine L. Barquilla. Jansen P. Labaw. Directors Lister, second semester, school year 2023-2024. Directors Lister, first semester, school year 2024-2025. Royal Blue Degree Awardee. Princess D. Toscano. Mariel C. Consorte. Moses R. Fortuna. James Omar C. Munoz, Directors Lister, second semester, school year 2023-2024. Directors Lister, first semester, school year 2024-2025. Royal Blue Degree Awardee, Leadership Awardee, A3 Feature Editor. Leia May B. Itang. Dulce Marie Q. Padua. Directors Lister, second semester, school year 2023-2024. Leadership Awardee, Crocus Auditor. Fourth year, Bianca D. Balona. Directors Lister, second semester, school year 2023-2024. Directors Lister, first semester, school year 2024-2025. Royal Blue Degree Awardee. Angela Marie B. Mar. Directors Lister, second semester, school year 2023-2024. Directors Lister, first semester, school year 2024-2025. Directors Lister, second semester, school year 2024 and 2025. Leadership Awardee, Crocus Editor-in-Chief. Jean O. Ola. Directors Lister, first semester, school year 2024-2025. Directors Lister, second semester, school year 2024-2025. Luila Dayan D. Moratalia. Directors Lister, second semester, school year 2023-2024. First semester, school year 2024 and 2025, Royal Blue Degree Awardee. Jasper Kyle B. Gorjan. Directors Lister, second semester, school year 2023-2024. First semester, school year 2024-2025. Second semester, school year 2024-2025. Enrique M. Salvadora. Directors Lister, second semester, school year 2023-2024. First semester, school year 2024-2025. Second semester, school year 2024-2025, and Royal Blue Degree awardee. Bicol University Institute of Design and Architecture Academic Scholars for second semester, to be awarded from the first semester of school year 2024-2025. First year, Francine Eliza B. Del Rosario. Also, an awardee, John Albert D. Ante. Fourth year academic scholar, John Albert D. Ante. Academic scholars for second semester, to be awarded from the first semester of school year 2024-2025. Maxine Stephanie M. Brun. Directors Lister, first semester, school year 2024-2025. BUIDEA Squaa athlete, BUIDEA Regional Squaa athlete. Aljon E. Guatno. Luila Sabrine B. Brioso. Directors Lister, first semester, school year 2024-2025. Leadership Award, Archies, Block A representative. Derek I. Pagorogon. Diana Denise R. Rivale. Raisha Lariz A. Recomendable. Ria Nicole N. Alosilio. Directors Lister, first semester, school year 2024-2025. Leadership Awardee, Crocus, Graphics Artist. Leadership Awardee, Archies, Public Information Officer. Stephanie B. Lumerio. John Mike A. Almeida. Wilfred Julius C. Zubeldia. Second year, Zendara Jane F. Junio. Charmaine M. Cañete. Third year, Chrishali Faye R. Sereno. Shilani Ain N. Adilie. Aliana May Gaspacho. Ralph Anthony M. Ginela, Directors Lister, First Semester, School Year 2024-2025, Leadership Awardee, BU ASA, Public Information Officer. John Christian A. Manganan. Leila Marian B. Reblora, Directors Lister, First Semester, School Year 2024-2025, Leadership Award, UAPSA, Executive Commissioner on Education. Elaine A. Esquilio, Directors Lister, First Semester, School Year 2024-2025, Leadership Awardee, UAPSA Executive Commissioner on Logistics and Management. Fourth year, Francia M. Napagal, Directors Lister, Second Semester, School Year 2023-2024, First Semester, School Year 2024-2025, Royal Blue Degree Awardee, Leadership Awardee, Crocus Senior Editor, Filipino. Hazel N. Arevalo. Fifth year, Josie Marie V. Sobredilla, Outstanding Student in Scholarship. Directors Lister, first semester, school year 2024-2025. Directors Listers, second semester, school year 2024-2025. Leadership Awardee, Crocus, Associate Editor, Internal. Kathleen Dayan M. Mendez, Directors Lister, first semester, school year 2024-2025. Leadership Awardee, UAPSA Chairman of General Welfare and Ethics. Directors Lister, second semester, school year 2024-2025. John Lester S. Balondo, Directors Lister, first semester, school year 2024-2025. Directors Lister, second semester, school year 2024-2025. Princess May P. Sarte, Directors Lister, first semester, school year 2024-2025. Directors Lister, second semester, school year 2024-2025. Kathleen Rose G. Inesio, Directors Lister, first semester, school year 2024-2025. Second semester, school year 2024-2025. Maria Regina B. Sadang, Carla May Borromeo, Justine G. Batalier, Directors Lister, first semester, school year 2024-2025. Second semester, school year 2024-2025. Selena Ella N. Destreza, Directors Lister, first semester, school year 2024-2025. Second semester, school year 2024-2025. Mark Leonil R. Funa, Directors Lister, first semester, school year 2024-2025. Participation, Bicol Voices Chorale, Light of the North First Chorale Festival and Competition. Gold Diploma, Musika Sacra category, Bicol Voices Chorale, Sing Tarlac, Sing Third Chorale Festival and Competition. Gold Diploma, Folk Song category, Bicol Voices Chorale, Sing Tarlac, Sing Third Chorale Festival and Competition. Silver Diploma, Mixed Chorale category, Bicol Voices Chorale, Sing Tarlac, Sing Third Chorale Festival and Competition. Kay Ann A. Gonzalez, Directors Lister, first semester, school year 2024-2025. Second semester, school year 2024-2025. Nicole Patricia R. Taulier, Directors Lister, first semester, school year 2024-2025. Second semester, school year 2024-2025. Almina Ella D. Borlagdan. Directors Lister, first semester 2024-2025, second semester school year 2024-2025. Best paper, Agenda 3, Health and Health Systems Management Research category, Bicol University Best Undergraduate Thesis, BUID Appraisers. Leadership Awardee, UAPSA Executive Commissioner for External Affairs. Mary Flor C. Bueza, Directors Lister, first semester school year 2024-2025, second semester school year 2024-2025, Leadership Awardee, UAPSA Executive Commissioner for Internal Affairs. Sophia Angeli B. Julia. Jasha S. Burga. Leanne Valles, Directors Lister, first semester school year 2024-2025, Directors Lister, second semester school year 2024-2025. Francis L. Malaluan, Directors Lister, first semester school year 2024-2025, second semester school year 2024-2025. Bicol University Best Undergraduate Thesis, BUID participant, Green and Safe Design of the Research and Development Center for Tropical Medicine in Bicol. Jessica May B. Babol. K.R. Lovinario, Directors Lister, first semester school year 2024-2025, second semester school year 2024-2025. Hersley C. Carizo, Directors Lister, first semester school year 2024-2025, second semester school year 2024-2025. Lauren Amber A. Almiñana, Directors Lister, first semester school year 2024-2025, second semester school year 2024-2025. Jason L. Lita, Directors Lister, first semester school year 2024-2025, second semester school year 2024-2025. Elixa May Mabun. Raymond B. Villaroya. Ann Crystal M. Carascal, Directors Lister, first semester school year 2024-2025, second semester school year 2024-2025. Kyla C. Carillo. Nicole Ann C. Villame. Nicole Ann C. Villame is a director's lister, first semester school year 2024-2025, second semester school year 2024-2025, Bicol University Best Undergraduate Thesis BU Idea participant, a mixed-use green building development in Rawis, Legazpi City. Jazz Gabriel O. Oloya, Director's Lister, first semester, school year 2024-2025, second semester, school year 2024-2025. Angel B. Bahilio, Director's Lister, first semester, school year 2024-2025, second semester, school year 2024-2025. Rochelle E. Nakor, Director's Lister, first semester, school year 2024-2025, second semester, school year 2024-2025. Dylan Bell L. Basquinia. Midi B. Dilumin, Director's Lister, first semester, school year 2024-2025, Leadership Awardee, AAA Vice President, Leadership Awardee, Sage Auditor, Director's Lister, second semester, school year 2024-2025. Jesse James V. Ostaga, Director's Lister, first semester, school year 2024-2025, Leadership Award, Crocky's Broadcaster. A Deaf Space Integration, Ligao City Learning Center for Deaf and Hard of Hearing students, rank 2, Agenda 5, Inclusive Education and Lifelong Learning, Research category, Bicol University Best Undergraduate Thesis. Ralph Brian D. Berongoy, Director's Lister, first semester, school year 2024-2025, second semester, school year 2024-2025. Paul Anthony S. Cruel, Director's Lister, first semester, school year 2024-2025, second semester, school year 2024-2025. Febin N. Batalla, Director's Lister, first semester, school year 2024-2025, second semester, school year 2024-2025. Mark Andrew F. Rodriguez, Director's Lister, first semester, school year 2024-2025, second semester, school year 2024-2025. Kia Ann M. Cano, Director's Lister, first semester, school year 2024-2025, second semester, school year 2024-2025. Earl Justin D. Marbella, Junric Repotula, Director's Lister, second semester, school year 2024-2025, Leadership Awardee, AAA President. Leadership Awardee, Sage 5th Year Representative. Second semester, school year 2024-2025 academic scholars. 5th year. Academic scholars, second semester, school year 2024-2025, 5th year. Abundo Bea Claudette. Kisha R. Lucilio. Renzo T. Madridano. Christine Gila V. Abilgos. Raymond P. Villaroya. Rani Daniel E. Sia. Marie Vianney A. Bunagua. Colleen Ivy B. Balitian. Laika A. Villadolid. John Kaiser and Alarsio. Aljus L. Valenzuela. Tristan Alexi A. Garcia. Gerald C. Luminario. Elisa Jean A. Dorol. Jean Lyer R. De Leon. Kenneth T. Oxiano. Earl Justin D. Marbella. Cyril B. Severo. Ralph Raven B. Olmeda. Clark Kent M. Lopez. Joyzan Rian L. Blanche. Jaira B. Balane. Rainier P. Lopera. Carlene Kate L. Lita. Janet P. Abellano. John Patrick B. Gaviria. John Paul B. Belisario. Rose Ann L. Asibuque. Juliana Nastasia M. Fabella. Hazel Ann G. Antequera. Jeneline C. Clariño. Christina Paula M. Nieto. Valerie B. Villanueva. Romel John R. Racal. Erica May E. Mapalad. John Adrian S. Catura. Zyron Abigail B. Ortinero. Joyce Ann L. Lianera. J. Buemia Jr. Maria Danica O. Malate. Francis Jed N. Cano. Erica Faith Bonaobra. Aliyah Fiona L. Reyes. Leonard Joseph E. Gunay. Ahmad Ray F. Frejas. Joanna May L. Ayo. Abigail Abarientos. Hans Warren B. Cruz. Earl John A. Biludo. Reggie B. Barameda. Leadership Awardees 2025 BUIDEA organizations. BUASA, Bicol University Architecture Students Association. Piolo Mario S. Papiliera, President. Diana Jane L. Lucena, Vice President. Ludel Rona P. Layug, Secretary General. Joshua Charles Malasa, Deputy Secretary General. Andrea Nicole I. Peñafiel, Deputy Finance Officer. Daniel P. Salamanque, Leadership Award, BUASA Auditor. Leadership Award, SAGE PIO. Maria Ruth A. Thomas, Business Manager. Mary Joanne V. Almazar, Business Manager. Menzi C. Casais, First Year Representative. Justin M. Collar, Second Year Representative. Jan Briel A. Alamil, Third Year Representative. Sydney A. Sablaon. Leadership Award, BUASA Fourth Year Representative and Crocky's Senior Editor, English. Dimple Oni M. Okmer, Fifth Year Representative. United Architects of the Philippines Student Auxiliary Bicol University Chapter. Darlene Isabel A. Sabio, President. Julius M. Macaba, Leadership Awardee for UAPSA, Vice President for Programs and Development. Leadership Awardee AAA Treasurer. Leadership Awardee SAGE International Internal Vice Chairperson. Hannah Carmela B. Buitizon, Vice President for Operations. Micaela C. Nacario, Leadership Award UAPSA Secretary. Leadership Award SAGE Second Year Representative. Frank Melan T. Landong, Treasurer. Micah Antonio B. Alesna, Auditor. Ivars G. Gutierrez, Chairman on Membership. Mayan Faye S. Lanzuela, Executive Commissioner for Student Affairs. Justin L. Balbosa, Executive Commissioner on Research and Academic Institution. Rack De Mancera, Chairman on Environment and Ecology. Charisse B. Buen, Executive Commissioner on Marketing and Publicity. Angelo H. Lorica, Leadership Award, UAPSA Deputy Creative Director for Media Production. Leadership Award, Crocky's PVJ. Delphine B. Lucena, Leadership Award, UAPSA Documentation Director. Leadership Award, Crokis. Rika May P. Cambe, first year, DMD. Carl A. Capitin, second year, DMD. Carl A. Capitin, second year Deputy Membership Director. Justin Recomendable, fourth year Deputy Membership Director. Jemarie C. Halmansar, fifth year Deputy Membership Director. Christine Zaibel M. Puaso, Chapter Representative. Mary France D. Bolima, Creative Staff. Jaslyn Competente, Creative Staff. Michael S. Ramizares, Creative Staff. Evangeline M. Pastor, Creative Staff. Crokis, BUIDS Student Publication. Donald F. Bunaobra, Chief Online Content Editor. Maria Janelle L. Valle, Senior Editor, Filipino. Mary Lorraine R. Bazar, Senior Editor, English. Glynie Eunice Cortan, Leadership Award, Crokis, Senior Editor, English. Leadership Award, UAPSA Associate Editor, External. Paula M. Bercasio, News Editor. Kenneth Mirabel, Literary Editor. Clarice Laika B. Bew, Chief Layout Artist. John Paul Vertuz, Chief Photo Video Journalist. A3, Architecture Athletes Association. Fresha May B. Adorna, Leadership Award, A3 Secretary. Leadership Award, Sage Treasurer. Carlos Sebastian C. Fortuno, Leadership Award, A3 Business Manager. Leadership Award, Sage Business Manager. Franzel O. Palmones, Public Information Officer. Eliza Joy Bersola, Creative Head. Angeli Selina B. Rosales, Creative Head, Creative Staff. Sue B. Muto, Creative Staff. Micah Adria Gustilo, Ways and Means. John Renz Bea, Ways and Means. Archies. Alea May S. Pili, President. John Philip Nacario, Leadership Award, Archies Vice President. A3 Creative Staff, Sage First Year Representative. Daniela May G. Dakara, Leadership Award, Archies Secretary, Sage Assistant Secretary. Mary Joy B. Malaga, Treasurer. Althea B. Arizala, Assistant Treasurer. Micaela Franz R. Regachuelo, Auditor. Franklin R. Lumagaya, Business Manager. Janelle R. Riola, Business Manager. Laurent Resti C. Lianco, Escort. Trisha Nicole A. Cacho, Block B Representative. Ashley Nicole Olorga, Block C Representative. Eliza Bianca M. Montiliana, Block D Representative. Sage Officers. Jude Marco Estolas, Chairperson. Jude Peter Luis Vargas, Leadership Award, Sage External Vice Chairperson. Leadership Award, Chairperson, Team Albay Youth Organization or tayo. Kate Fatima Aplacador, Secretary. Raymond De Lima, Third Year Representative. Trisha Sepriaso, Fourth Year Representative. Service Award. Crocus Publication, Editorial Staff. Micaela Jane C. Clavicillas. Chris Allen V. Gonzalez. Remy C. Boreto. Christine May R. Hermosa. Hannah Carmela B. Buitizon, Graphics Artist. Maria Nympha Eliza O. Frial, Graphics Artist. Sena Bernadette N. Navia, Graphics Artist. Christine Erica P. Malto, Graphics Artist. Renz Kenneth R. Otelia, Graphics Artist. Andre Leonardo R. Madriaga, Broadcaster. Lance Ryan Edison Diolata, Broadcaster. Kim Arsen R. Kiambao, broadcaster. Norlen Miel D. Madera, broadcaster. Benedict Bechaida, layout artist. Chris Mark J. Brutas, layout artist. Kylo J. Haz Engera, OCE. Francine Jem Banzuelo, OCE. Marlian Noel Kissing, writer. Lunil Banyares, writer. Hannah Bella Garanatin, writer. Special awardees. Before we proceed to the special awards, we would like to announce that part of the fifth year awardees, academic scholars, are Kiran Jofer R. Esporlas, Moises B. Florese Jr., Gerald Vic L. Badong Jr., and Byron John De Lima. Special awardees, Diana Maria Teresa Go, BUIDA Squaa athlete, BUIDA RS Squaa athlete. Risel B. Narvaja, BUIDA Squaa athlete, BUIDA RS Squaa athlete, third place, bronze softball. Leadership Award, BUASA Finance Officer. Camille A. Sibuyo, BUIDA Squaa athlete, BUIDA RS Squaa athlete, third place, bronze softball. Marv M. Alcantara, BUIDEA Squad Athlete, BUIDEA RS Squad Athlete, Bronze Medalist, BU Men's Football Team. Clydell May Abogado, BUIDEA Squad Athlete, BUIDEA RS Squad Athlete, Gold Medalist, 200 meters freestyle women, Gold Medalist, 400 meters freestyle women, Gold Medalist, 800 meters freestyle women, Gold Medalist, 4x50 medley relay women, Gold Medalist, 4x100 medley relay women. Therese Nicole Plofino, BUIDEA Squad Athlete, BUIDEA RS Squad Athlete, second place, Women's Pomsai Solo, second place, Women's Pomsai Trio. Froilan Ray B. Banta, bronze deadlift 100 kg at 600 kilograms body weight, Bicol Strength Wars, 9th place college category under 66 kilograms weight class, 2025 National Inter-School Powerlifting Cup. John Mark Cruz, first place, comic strip drawing English category, 22nd Regional Tertiary Schools Press Conference delegates. First place, editorial cartooning Filipino category. Second place, comic strip drawing English, 20th Luzon-wide Higher Education Press Conference. Von Ami Frondozo, fourth place, editorial cartooning English category, 22nd Regional Tertiary Schools Press Conference delegates. Fourth, literary graphics Filipino category. Seventh place, literary graphics Filipino, 20th Luzon-wide Higher Education Press Conference. And 10th place, comic strip drawing Filipino. Vince Elijah M. Batalier, Leadership Award, Crocus Cartoonist. Second place, Editorial Cartooning Filipino category, 22nd Regional Tertiary Schools Press Conference delegates. 10th place, Editorial Cartooning Filipino, 20th Luzon-wide Higher Education Press Conference. We would like to ask the students to please settle down. Balik po muna tayo sa ating mga upuan as we continue with the awarding. Later on, you'll be given ample time to enjoy the photo booth. Thank you very much. John Lawrence Bonete. Sixth place, Editorial Cartooning English category, 22nd Regional Tertiary Schools Press Conference, Leadership Award, Crocus Master Cartoonist. Austin Hans S. Camu, second place, Albay Park and Wildlife World Wildlife Day 2025 Provincial Mural Painting Competition. First place, Bicol University Litvi Musda 2025, the greatest comeback painting category. Jandel E. Tuazon, first place, Bicol University Litvi Musda 2025, the greatest comeback pencil rendering category. Second place, Albay Park and World Wildlife Day 2025 Provincial Mural Painting Competition. Maria Zael D. Insinares. Third place, Litvi Musda Vocal Solo Kundiman, Leadership Award, Crokis Writer. Vincent L. Lita, Champion, Sari Kulay ng Ating Buhay Miniature Design plus Painting Competition, Bicol Construction Expo, Biconex 2024. Leadership Award, Crokis Editorial Staff. Again, we would like to ask our dear students to please go back to your seats for a while as we continue our awarding. My students at the back, kindly. Thank you very much. Academic Special Awardees. Bicol University Best Undergraduate Thesis, BU Idea Placers. Dennis D. Hubila, Legaspi Towards Active Aging, a centralized age care centered, a centralized age care center. Best paper, Agenda 3, Health and Health Systems Management Development category. Jean-Marie Kaiser M. Bermido. A salutogenic approach to mental health care. Best paper, Agenda 3, Health and Health Systems Management Research category. Clarence Joshua N. Calope. Assessment of Ligao City Jail through Restorative Justice Architecture. Rank 2, Agenda 2, Industry, Energy, and Emerging Technology Development category. Gerald Vic L. Badong Jr., a historical analysis and digital reconstruction of administration de A historical analysis and digital reconstruction of Administración de Correo and Old Provincial Jail in Naga City. Rank 2, Agenda 5, Inclusive Education and Lifelong Learning Development category. Risa Marain S. Gamuyao. Assessment of Ligao City Jail through Restorative Justice Architecture. Rank 2, Agenda 2, Industry, Energy, and Emerging Technology Development category. Bicol University Best Undergraduate Thesis and Leadership Award, Crokis Broadcaster. Joanna May L. Ayo, a special awardee, BU Best Undergraduate Thesis, Second Best Paper, Agenda 1, Agriculture, Aquatic, and Natural Resources. Paper title, Agriculture Research Center for Masbate Institute of Fisheries and Technology.
Bicol University Best Undergraduate Thesis BU-IDEA participants. Charisma Grace D. Cabug, Aquaculture Research Center for Masbate Institute of Fisheries and Technology. Julius O. Lopez, Green and Safe Design of the Research and Development Center for Tropical Medicine in Bicol. Before we proceed to awarding of the Royal Blue Degree Award, I would like to request here in front, Lauren Amber Almeñana for being one of the fifth-year academic scholars, Directors Lister First Semester School Year 2024-2025, Directors Lister Second Semester School Year 2024-2025. Royal Blue Degree Awardees, Order of the Blue Feather Society, Jim Javier A. Borromeo. We would also like to request here in front, Gisela May Apuya, Academic Scholar for Dean's Lister for second semester school year 2024-2025. Hans Warren B. Cruz, Special Awardee, BU Best Undergraduate Thesis, First Best Paper, Agenda 3, Health and Health System Management Development category. Paper title, Legazpi Towards Active Aging, a Centralized Aged Care Center. Sports Special Awardees, BU IDEA Squaa Athletes, Marian Louise G. Salting, Desiree Nicole L. Hagos, Extracurricular Special Awardees, Lawrence Andrea A. Fernandez. Third place, Layout Designing, 22nd Regional Tertiary Schools Press Conference. Bicol University Litvimusda 2025, The Greatest Comeback. Marian R. Iliana. First place, Bicol University Litvimusda 2025, The Greatest Comeback, Charcoal Rendering. May we call on the most outstanding student in scholarship, Josie Marie V. Sobradilla. Most outstanding student in leadership, Homer Reden L. De Solo. Most outstanding student in service, Lawrence Andrea A. Fernandez. For the most outstanding college-based organization, United Architects of the Philippines Student Auxiliary Bicol University Chapter. May we call in the President of UAPSA and the officers. We would also like to request the presence on the stage of the advisor of UAPSA, Architect June Mirabete. Leadership Awardee, BU Idea College Student Council, Homer Reden De Solo, Tristan Carmel F. De Mesa, Kirsten Z. De Castro, Hilary Cervantes, J. Rico Espelita, Jerry Ella Marie Paja, Gabriel Ryan B. Ocromas, Leadership Award, CSC Business Manager, A3 Business Manager, Sage Business Manager, Rojan Paul Binyas, and Kyle Mira Navarro. Congratulations to all the awardees.
To all our awardees, your efforts are seen, your growth is celebrated, and your future is bright. Congratulations!
As we close this day of celebration, allow us to call on the Department Chair of Bicol University Institute of Design and Architecture, Architect Virgilio M. Montero, for the closing remarks. A round of applause, please. Before we proceed into our closing remark, may we call on Josie Marie V. Sobredilla to give her words of encouragement. A round of applause, please. A round of applause, please.
Good day to everyone, to our faculty members, to my fellow students, family, and friends. To begin, I'd like to warmly acknowledge the presence of our special guest earlier, BU President Dr. Baby Boy Benjamin D. Nebres III, our Vice President for Academic Affairs, Dr. Maria Julieta B. Bores, our institute OIC, Architect Maureen M. Sia, and our guest speaker, Architect Megan S. Oringo. Thank you for being with us and making this day even more special. Today, I stand before you, deeply honored and humbled to receive the most outstanding student in scholarship award, a recognition that goes beyond numbers and grades. It reflects the long nights, the quiet persistence, and the passion for learning that fueled my journey. More than that, I believe today is not just a celebration of excellence, it is a tribute to the perseverance and sense of purpose we all have developed along the way. Before anything else, I want to say thank you to BU IDEA and the entire organizing team for making this event possible, to my professors and mentors for your guidance and patience, to my Crockies family for shaping my voice and supporting my growth in my chosen interest, to my classmates and friends. Thank you for the laughter, late night grinds, and support. And most of all, to my family, thank you for being my foundation, my reason, and my constant source of strength. Looking back, I know we all have our share of struggles, and for many of us, this journey hasn't been easy. Personally, starting college during the pandemic was a shock. Online classes, limited support, and so much uncertainty. There were days I felt unsure. I felt lost, unsure where to begin. I'd overthink, get stuck, and sometimes end up cramming, not out of carelessness, but because I simply didn't know how to move forward. Through those challenges, I learned grit in its truest sense, the kind that keeps you going even when motivation runs dry. I learned self-discipline, especially on days when it would have been easier to just give up. And slowly, I found a deeper sense of purpose in what I was doing, not just to get good grades, but to grow into someone more capable, more grounded, and more resilient. Of course, there are moments I seriously questioned myself when burnout hit, when the pressure felt too heavy, and when I wondered if I was falling behind. But those doubts reminded me that I was trying. As I reflect now, I realize that those moments Those small, quiet battles were part of what shaped us. They taught us how to adapt, how to persist, and how to believe in our ability to figure things out even when the odds aren't in our favor. Those were in the times that those times tested not just our ability but our strength of character. Eventually, I came to understand that academic excellence is so much more than awards. At its core, it's about the commitment to lifelong learning, a mindset of curiosity, growth, and humility. Being a scholar of the Bayan means embracing responsibility to lead not only with excellence, but with empathy, collaboration, and service, and using our knowledge to uplift our communities and make meaningful change wherever we are. In that sense, academic excellence isn't the finish line, it's the foundation, a solid starting point that allows us to serve more effectively, lead more wisely, and live more purposely. To my fellow students, your journey doesn't have to look like anyone else's to be meaningful. We each have our own path, shaped by different struggles, strengths, and seasons. But what we all share is the power to create meaning in what we do, to turn our experiences into growth and our passions into purpose. So moving forward, let's keep learning, not just for excellence, but for understanding. Let us stay grounded in who we are and generous with what we know. Again, I want to express my deepest gratitude to everyone who has been part of this journey. To thank you to my family, mentors, friends, and the entire BioIdea community for believing in me, guiding me, and challenging me to grow. And I am proud to be part of this institute. And as we step into the next chapters of our lives, may we carry with us the lessons we've learned here. Together, may we design a future, not just with skill, but with heart and soul. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Josie Marie V. Sobradilla, our outstanding student in scholarship, for her words of encouragement. As we close this day of celebration, allow us to call again on the Department Chair of Bicol University Institute of Design and Architecture, Architect Virgilio M. Montero, for the closing remarks. A round of applause, please.
To Architect Megan Uringo, to our OIC, Architect Norencia, guests, parents, colleagues, students and honorees, isang magandang tanghali sa ating lahat. As we come to close our BIA Recognition 2025, my heart is filled with pride and gratitude. Today, we have witnessed the fruits of your hard work, creativity, and determination. You've made it. As mentioned earlier, you're all life champions and future-ready professionals. Alam natin na hindi madali ang landas na inyong tinahak, lalo na sa hamon ng makabagong panahon. Ngunit inyo itong napagtagumpayan na may tapang at determinasyon. May students, tandaan nyo na ang tagumpay ay hindi lamang nasusukat sa medalya at sertipiko, kundi sa bawat aral na inyong natutunan at sa bawat pagsubok na inyong nalampasan. The outside world needs you, your vision, your compassion, and your innovative and creative ideas. Always carry with you the values of integrity, excellence, and service that BU has instilled in you. Huwag matakot mangarap at maging instrumento ng pagbabago sa inyong komunidad. As you step forward, may you continue to design not just buildings, but a better and brighter future for all. Sabi nga ni Vitruvius, may we always build. Sa ngalan ng BioIdea family, We congratulate you all, our life champions, our future leaders, and future ALE top-notchers. Sa mga tumulong upang maidaos ang recognition rights na ito, maraming salamat sa inyo. Muli, magandang umaga sa ating lahat at maraming salamat.
Thank you, Architect Montero, for your empowering message and for always championing excellence and vision in our institution.
As a community of learners, leaders, and dreamers, let us rise together in singing the Bicol University hymn. Please rise. Please be seated.
And that concludes Bicol University Institute of Design and Architecture Recognition 2025.
To all our honorees, we are beyond proud of what you have achieved. May this celebration be a reminder that your journey is just beginning and the world is ready for what you will build.
To our guests, faculty, and families, thank you for being part of this meaningful event.
I am Justin M. Colar.
And I am Norlaniel D. Madera. Congratulations and good morning.
Padayon, Bicol University Institute of Design and Architecture.